Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick video. I just purchased the K&N high flow air filter for the Jetta because I actually went back to the stock filter setup on it with the air box because the cone filter, it was good, but it was kind of obnoxious hearing the spool all the time. So I purchased one of these. I think the total price was $63, but it's a washable, reusable, and it's supposed to flow a lot more air compared to the stock one. So I guess we'll be able to tell in a few. So clean it every 50,000 miles for highway use. Offered million miles for this air filter. So Jet is already at almost 400,000, so I'll never actually need that, but reset you up. Probably bad lighting, but it's just an air filter. There's not much to see. We got our K&N sticker and all our papers here. Helpful hints, don't need that. Whatever this is. And the K&N sticker for my back window so we can be repping. So yeah, I'm gonna go, I guess we can do a quick take it down the road and see how it sounds. I'll give you a sound with the stock filter, how it sounds now, and show you like probably a 0 to 40 because I don't want to beat on it too much. And then we'll put the new filter in and then go for another ride. So let's go do that. We're on a back road here. I'm gonna try and just get a sound clip, I guess. I don't know, unless you can see the dash. I don't think you can. But whatever, I'll try it here. I'm just gonna do a first and second probably, so you can hear it. So that was the first to third. Not really gassing it too hard because it's not fully warmed up, but that was just a little sound clip so you could hear, hopefully you could hear something. I don't know. Right around 1 bar over 2,000. Hopefully you can see the boost gauge. I'm gonna floor it. Alright, so here we are. We're in the engine bay. And so this is the new setup of the air box. I wonder if you can see my sunburn. Pretty rank. Here's our new setup with the air box. Used to just be a cone filter right here, which was great. It spooled fast, sounded pretty good, kind of obnoxious with the spool, so that's why we're gonna try the panel filter in the air box. So what we're gonna do, this is my sub wiring, so I'm just gonna pull that screw out, and then 2 Phillips here and right there, and then we're just gonna pull this off and put the new filter in. So I'll set you up. All right, so I'm gonna pull this Phillips off to get rid of my fuse holder for my wiring. And then the 2 Phillips on the air box. Just nice and slow so they don't strip out because they're already pretty much stripped. And then just crank this up at an angle like that. And here's the stock filter. Gross for one. Dirt and oil all over it. Fins folded up. Just gross. In here is all crinkled. And it has like the pre-filters on it. And here's the new K&N. You can see if I match them up here, way thinner. big time. Doesn't have the same pre-filter, but these are good because you can clean them. You don't got to replace the whole thing. Same size. This one's already oiled up. You can see the oil on it. So yeah, we're gonna put this on now. All right, so just reverse of removal. I'm just gonna pick this thing up, move that out of the way. And then just slide the edges in to the filter housing so it gets a good seal. Just like that. Nice and sturdy. And then just got to bend this up a little so it fits into the clips. Right there. Lay it down, and then just tighten your screws like that, just like that. And then I'm going to put my fuse back up here. Okay, it's nice and solid. In case you're wondering, I don't know if I've showed this, but this is my sub wiring, because in the trunk it's hard to tell, but I got two 10-inch Memphis Audio subs and then a 1000 watt, I think it was a 1000 watt, might have been 800 Memphis Audio amp. So yeah, kind of a butt hurt for good audio. So anyways, that's all done up here. Put your sticker on. You don't have to, but I did. And yeah, let's go for a ride. We're out here driving. I'm gonna do the same unscientific test with the 2000 RPMs. I gotta get one bar over it, and then I'm gonna boost it and show you if there's a difference with the new filter. So we're pretty much right there. Here's the boost gauge. And I'm gonna floor it. Hopefully that gives you a little sound comparison too. I'll do another pull in a second here. All right, so here's gonna be a pull, I guess. We're gonna do first or third again, 2000 RPMs. Here we go. Uh-oh. First gear, I clutched it too soon and then locked myself out of it. It literally wouldn't let me go into second. So that kind of screwed up the pull, but I would say it definitely feels quicker. Not gonna lie, it feels more responsive. Maybe that's what it is, maybe not quicker. Up top feels better. It felt like it was really struggling for air before up top. But yeah, all in all, I'm happy with it. 60 bucks. Doesn't really, I was kind of hoping to give it the slightest bit of spool noise, but that's fine. I'm sure there's other ways to do that. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. Just want to do a short install on that and a little kind of short review. Time will tell how it feels, but as of right now, I'm happy with it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, let me know if you liked it, let me know if you disliked it. Yeah, thanks for watching.